Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today you're in the kitchen with Lynn. If you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Those of you who have subscribed, thank you for returning. We're making some fried green tomatoes today. I have some tomatoes that has a little bit of bruise, not much, and that's all right. Just go right ahead and wash them thoroughly, towel dry them, then cut them into like 1/4 inch thick. And this is a side dish, guys, that is usually found in the southern part of the United States, made from unripe green tomatoes. Once I'm done cutting them, I'm going to place a paper towel onto the surface and just lay them out. This is going to help to remove the excess water from the tomatoes. Once this is all done, I'm going to mix some onion powder, garlic powder, some complete seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. Mix them up well. Then you want to sprinkle right over these slices. Once they're done, just turn them over like this and repeat the same method. At this time, I have some oil in a pan over medium heat. I leave it there to get hot in the meantime because this do not take long. I take the remainder of the mixture and place it into my panko breadcrumb along with some dry seasonings and some cayenne pepper and paprika. It all depends on how you want to season yours. Mix it well, add 1 egg into 1 cup of milk and just whisk it in. Now you want to take 1 slice at a time of the tomato, coat it with the flour, then shake it out, place it into the egg and milk mixture, just like this. Now just base it into the seasoned panko breadcrumb. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Now it's time for frying. So the oil is hot and you want to place them into the oil. You can use a pair of tongs to do this. If you don't want to get burned, don't do what I'm doing by using my bare hands like this. You want to fry them until they get golden brown on each side. Once one side is already brown, just flip them over and let the other side cook again. And these fried green tomatoes have a slightly sour, but not in a bad way, a tangy flavor that is complemented by the fried crunchy coating, guys. It is so mellow when cooked and formed to the point of being crunchy. The texture softens but doesn't turn to a mush. And they're all done, served with some mayo dip, guys, and here you have it. Give it a try, easy and simple to put together. Makes a lovely side dish snack. Just go for it, guys. Leave me a beautiful comment and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy and I'll see you soon.